Well, what should you do if you're ever in a car accident? Here to talk about the steps, Brad Huffman of Huffman Huffman. Brad, thanks so much for chatting with us today.
Thank you for being here, Cheryl.
No one wants to think about being in an accident, but they
Right.
do happen. So
Right.
what are your tips for what to do if one happens?
Yeah. First thing you want to do is check to make sure everybody in the car is okay.
Yeah.
And if there's any injuries, you want to call an ambulance and have them taken to the hospital so they can get checked out. Second thing you want to do is call the police and have them come out to the scene so they can document what happened and also get the insurance information for the other driver. It's very important. Another thing you might want to do is take some photographs of the property damage in the area where the accident happened so you can document that as well.
Very good. Good things to remember if something
Yes.
like this does happen, although there's so much emotion happening as well. I
Yes.
imagine you see quite a few mistakes
Yes.
that take place.
Yeah, unfortunately, we see quite a few mistakes. The biggest mistake that a lot of people make is they reach out to the other driver's insurance company before they speak to an attorney to get advice. And that can be a very dangerous thing to do. In Virginia, we have a law that's called contributory negligence. And what that means is that even though the other driver is at fault in the accident, if you contribute in any way to that accident, you cannot make a claim. So when the insurance company calls that potential client, they'll ask them a lot of times, well, when did you first notice that car go through the stop sign? And a lot of times the clients will say, well, I didn't see him until I hit him. Or they came out of nowhere. And the insurance company is going to say, well, you weren't keeping a proper lookout. So you contributed to this accident. So that even though our driver's at fault for running the stop sign, you contributed to that accident by not keeping a proper lookout. And that, you have no case at that point.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
How can someone like you help in this situation for people who are in accidents?
Yeah, a lot of ways. The first thing we do is we will contact the other person's insurance company and get all the facts straight and make sure you're protected. And we can give you advice on what to do, how to do it. We can help you with your medical treatment, answer a lot of questions that you might have. The biggest thing we do is to make sure that you're fairly compensated for your injuries.
Where can people go if they have questions?
They can go to our website, which is www.huffmanhuffman.com, or they can call us at 757-422-HELP.
Brad, thank you very much.
Absolutely. Thank you, Cheryl.